Hi, welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we see the project expert search based on ranked web page. In this project we find the expected searching based on the rank of the web pages. Here the rank are applied through the co-occurrence based heat diffusion. Now we see the abstract. To search the expert in different field through the website. To design this method, there are two challenges, that is, web pages are noise, search details are scattered many web pages. To propose as heat diffusion based ranking algorithm to retrieve the experts or outperform baseline algorithm. In this project, we search the expert on many web pages. Nowadays, many web pages are scattered informations about a particular experts on any fields. In our heat diffusion based methods are reduce the noises and scattered informations are integrated into the single pages, then give the URL for the experts informations. Here we using a book related data set or to be performed, the related contents are presented. Now we see the data flow diagram. Data flow diagram is a symbolic representation of the flow of our project. In this data flow diagram we use the symbol ellipse or define the project start and end stages. Rectangle symbols are indicate the processing status of the project. Diamond symbols are indicate check the condition of the project. If the conditions are true, it's move to the next processing state. Otherwise, its process are going to be end or try again to the required conditions are true. Arrow symbols are indicate the sequence of next processing status of the project. Here we start our project through the ellipse symbol. Now data set processing. In this data set processing we collect the information about the related experts who are on the fields. Then it will be update the database. After update the database, it is in login pages, our data set are handled as a repository. In this repository managed as one particular organization. So if the users are searching on the expert, they should accounted on the particular organization. Here we check the username and password. Whether it is true, they move to the search key. This key are the expert's name and display the matching sentences, which is the results based on the searching key. After the display the matching content, we have to perform the rank method using a heat diffusion method. After that, show the web pages, then move to stop. If the username and passwords are incorrect, they are moved to the stop intimations of the process status. Now we move to the implementation phases of co-occurrence based expert search. In this expert search, administrators are responsible to log in and register the update the database files as for particular repository information. Here we choose a data set public book related information, which is contain the information about the book, about author, publication year, details of the publication, then the book name also, and etc. Click browse to insert the dataset files then and select the data set where it is presented in our local machine. Here we have to select the dataset file as our data set. Click to open. Then insert the files to update the database. After updating the database, new users click here to register their details into the organizational information. Username as Jasmine, which is the username similar to the password. Then the mail ID has to be mentioned. After the contact addresses are presented, after the click register to register the details into the local possible database. Click register to register the details. After that, enter the repository details, enter the username and password to move into the validation period to search the experts on the same name. So whether the details are invalid, we get our information from invalid input. Now we have to enter the correct username and password to move enter into the pages. After enter the particular users or expert name, which is a searching key based on here. After enter the home pages, users have to enter the expert name to be find the related information. Click search to get the relevant information about the author David, which is based on the related content about our expert search key. Ranking the details. Finally, we got the experts David, which is the related content about the presented details is available on our data set, which is the relevant content, which is based on applying heat diffusion value. Where if we click the pages, it's redirected to the related information. After that, finally we conclude the project. We have to search the experts based details are presented in many web pages. Now I apply the heat diffusion based algorithm, which is based on the co-occurrence co-occurrences of co-occurrence informations are presented in our database. Getting the related content after applying the heat diffusion algorithm. Finally, we click the related link to move to the next related content about the expert on the available details in online. Thank you for watching.